Hello everyone, my name is Tara and I'm an art instructor at Clap Studio. Thank you so much for purchasing our kit. If you haven't done so already, please feel free to do so at www.clapstudio.ca. Our kits come pre-measured, pre-designed, and it is designed to create as less as possible to make your whole project process a lot smoother and easier. So go ahead to www.clapstudio.ca to get your very own kit now. To make your DIY ball shooter game, you are going to have the following pieces. A foam board A, 2 long rectangular pieces labeled B, each with a slit in it. You have 2 pieces labeled C, 3 gold pieces like so, each of them with a different width on the inside, 2 styrofoam balls, 4 popsicle sticks, and some glitter foam sticker. The only additional materials that you will need are some scissors, markers, crayons. I'm first going to show you how to assemble this kit before decorating it. So what we're going to do is take our 2 pieces labeled B. We're going to peel off the tape and stick it to the long sides of foam board A. Now that I've got both of my long pieces stuck, we're going to go ahead and stick pieces labeled C to the short edges of your ball shooter game. Now that we've got our game frame set up, let's go ahead and decorate the inside. You can also decorate the pieces before you assemble it. It's completely up to you. While we're designing this, let's go ahead and color in our gold pieces as well. This is how I decorated mine. I decided to go with a very colorful floor just to make the game a lot more exciting. I cut out some glitter foam sticker and I stuck it to my golds. And now for the gold pieces, you can stick them however you like. You can make this course as challenging as you want or as simple as you want. Also, I've decided to give my name, my team names on either side. I have Team Purple and I have Team Blue, and I use the corresponding colors to show it. Now, for one of the final steps, what we're going to do is take our popsicle stick and slide them into the slits of foam pieces B. Just like that. Very simple. And your very last step, just take a ball, put it on either side, and you are done. And there you have it, your DIY ball shooter game. This is such a fun game to compete with your friends. I mean, you can play this by yourself, or you can have 2 people, or even 4 people playing with this kit. If you haven't gotten your kit yet, feel free to do so at www.clapstudio.ca to get your very own ball shooter game now. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!